Turkey's defense industry has grown at a pace that has surprised many global military observers over the past 2 decades. A country that was once heavily dependent on imported weapon systems is now slowly transforming into a self-sufficient military technology producer with ambitious ambitions. One symbol of the Turkish aerospace industry's resurgence is the arrival of a new generation of attack jet trainers. Entering a Turkish jet trainer assembly facility is like entering a world of high technology. Giant hangars stand brightly lit, filled with the aircraft's metal structures being built step by step. Technicians wear full safety gear and hold digital devices that continuously monitor each component. The initial stage of the assembly line begins with the construction of the fuselage structure. In this area, pieces of specialized aluminum, composite materials, and titanium frames are assembled with high precision using automated machines and industrial robots. On one side of the hangar, technicians can be seen inspecting the fuselage joints using a 3-dimensional laser scanner. This scanning technology ensures that all parts of the aircraft's fuselage are assembled according to the previously created digital design. After the main structure is complete, the process continues with the installation of the wings and tail. These components are not simply supporting parts, but central to the aircraft's stability and control during maneuvers. One of the most complex parts of the assembly line is the installation of the avionics system. Avionics are the electronic brains of the aircraft, controlling navigation. After the reconditioning process, the engines are tested again in a special test chamber. The engine roars loudly when the afterburner is activated. A long flame coming from the rear of the engine indicates that full power is being generated. Technicians monitor the temperature, pressure, and stability of the engine through modern computer displays on the production line. The cockpit of Turkey's newest attack trainer jet also reflects a modern approach. Instead of conventional analog instruments, the cockpit is now dominated by multifunctional digital displays. Pilots can monitor flight data, tactical maps, engine conditions, and target information through sophisticated electronic displays. This system is designed to mimic modern fighter jets so that student pilots can adapt more quickly before operating the main fighter aircraft on the assembly line. The installation of the ejection seat is a crucial step. This seat functions to rescue the pilot in an emergency by ejecting the pilot from the aircraft within seconds. Each mechanism is tested repeatedly to ensure perfect operation in extreme situations. Pilot safety remains a top priority, even though the aircraft is designed for combat use. In addition to training capabilities, Turkey's newest jet is designed to carry a variety of modern weaponry. In the weapons integration line, the aircraft is equipped with mounting points for air-to-air missiles, smart bombs, rockets, and weapon pods. The aircraft's computer system is then calibrated to communicate with various types of smart munitions. This capability makes the aircraft not only a training tool, but also an effective combat asset with lower operational costs than heavy fighter jets. The Turkish defense industry recognizes that the global market for attack trainer jets is highly competitive. Many developing countries require multi-purpose aircraft that can be used for both training and light military operations. Therefore, Turkish aircraft designs focus on cost efficiency, ease of maintenance, and operational flexibility. These factors are important selling points in the international market. Once all systems are installed, the aircraft enters the painting and finishing phase. In a dedicated paint room, the fuselage is coated with a special technology to protect the structure from corrosion and extreme temperatures. Several layers of paint are also designed to reduce radar signature. Afterward, the national emblem and identification number are precisely applied. The most crucial stage is the final testing before the maiden flight. The aircraft is tested on the ground through a series of simulations and thorough checks. The hydraulic systems, radar, flight computer, radio communications, and weapons controls must all function flawlessly. Test pilots then take over for evaluation flights. The maiden flight is always an emotional moment for the entire team. Years of hard work by engineers, technicians, and manufacturing workers are at stake in the first few hours in the air. When the aircraft takes off smoothly, the atmosphere in the hangar is often filled with applause and pride. For Turkey, this success is not just a technical achievement, but a symbol of national technological independence. The presence of a modern attack jet training assembly line also has a significant economic impact. It absorbs thousands of workers, including engineers, software engineers, mechanical technicians, and precision manufacturing workers. Supporting industries such as electronics, composite materials, and weapon systems are also developing. The Turkish government views the aerospace sector as a long-term strategic investment that can enhance the competitiveness of the national industry. Furthermore, Turkey's latest jet project demonstrates the importance of collaboration between the military, universities, and the private sector. Many new technologies emerge from academic research and are then applied in real-world production. This approach accelerates innovation while building a more sufficient domestic technology ecosystem amid global geopolitical competition. The ability to produce its own military aircraft offers a significant strategic advantage. A country with a self-sufficient aerospace industry is less susceptible to pressure through embargoes or restrictions on spare parts. Turkey appears to have understood this lesson and continues to promote the development of local technology in all its military projects. Turkey places significant emphasis on the development of domestic avionics. This step is crucial to reducing dependence on foreign countries, which often impose restrictions on the export of military technology. By developing its own systems, Turkey gains the flexibility to upgrade its aircraft capabilities while expanding sales opportunities to international markets. Turkey's latest attack jet trainer program arose from the strategic need to replace aging training aircraft and strengthen its light combat capabilities. In modern terms, trainer aircraft are no longer solely used to train novice pilots. These aircraft are now designed to be capable of carrying out actual combat missions, such as ground attack, armed patrol, reconnaissance, and close air support. Therefore, Turkey's latest aircraft design combines advanced training capabilities with modern combat technology.